Hi, making a video about how we use the bathroom while boondocking when we have no running water and no electricity. So I'll show you my bathroom. I like these Turkish towels because they fold down so small. Now these blue ones are actually bath sheets. And in here I have extra bottles of water. That one that looks like pee is not pee. It is a solution that we put in the tanks. This is a shower head that has a shut-off. So you set the temperature and then you have the flow from this. Here I am. Hello. When we're hooked up to running water, we can use the regular faucet. But while we're boondocking, I set this USB rechargeable pump on a stand like this with Velcro so that I can take it off and charge it if I need it. And I just put a gallon of water here on the counter, and I have the end of the hose cut in a V so that it doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the gallon and then not draw because of suction. We have running water. The wipes are not flushed. They go in the trash. Also, any toilet paper that's used just for wiping urine goes in the trash. And that way we don't get a poo pyramid. So I'll explain the poo pyramid in just a moment. This is a night light. I have it set to be fairly dim so that it comes on in the middle of the night, but it doesn't blind you. I have a bunch of first aid stuff and things that we might need while we're on the road. So we do have friends, like I said, who stay with us in the RV, and sometimes, they forget things at home. So here are deodorant wipes and razors, hair ties, individually wrapped toothbrushes, toothpaste, earplugs, and this is the itchy bin. We have allergy relief and anti-itch cream and poison ivy stuff as we go off into the woods, and you never know what you're going to encounter. This is an RV toilet with a foot pedal. So there are 2 tanks in the RV. The gray tank is for all of the water that's not the toilet, and the black tank is for the toilet. And the black tank is directly underneath the toilet. So when you press on the foot pedal, there's a valve that opens and everything drops right down into the tank. So one of the things about boondocking in particular is that you're using very little water, and you can get what's called a poo pyramid. So a poo pyramid is when there's not enough water in the tank and poop and paper fall down and they make this mound, and then because there's not enough water, it all sort of solidifies, and then it's very difficult to get rid of once it's solidified. So when you dump the tank, you want to make sure that you have a few gallons of spare water, like I have in the shower, so that you can put those in the tank and prevent it from being dry. I have those gallons of water, and what we do is after we've done whatever we need to do, step on the pedal, and that opens the valve and all the water goes away. We rinse and pour more water into the bowl. That helps create a seal so that no gases can come up. So that's it. That's how we flush and wash hands while we're boondocking and while we're traveling. Thanks for watching.